Today I wanted to hit on 5 reasons manufacturers work with Threekit Visual Commerce. The first is to set up a top of the funnel net to capture people with inspiration. Typically, manufacturers are using Threekit's virtual photographer or lifestyle photographer product to show people all of the potential possibilities and starting points for their manufactured product. Second, most manufacturers work with Threekit to deliver a 3D configurator where someone can really get in depth and highly configure the product. So that means lots of materials, lots of add-ons, lots of rules, complex product business logic is contained within that 3D configurator. 3 is usually that manufacturer is using Threekit to submit the lead and submit the saved configuration to the sales team at the manufacturer or the dealer of the manufacturer. That sales team then can use the configured product to get in contact and know that it's a qualified lead, and therefore start with the customer a more engaging sales point as opposed to a submitted lead with just typed out words. Number 4 is manufacturers are able to better service and sell aftermarket parts. So after that customer has bought a configured product, you now as the manufacturer have a digital twin. And from that digital twin, you can suggest add-ons for that product. So, hey, this product might go really well with that other product that you've bought. And then number 5, that was an aftermarket parts opportunity. Another would be service as number 5. So you could do a visual explosion of that product where the service technician or the customer of your manufactured product could select the part that's broken visually and then order a replacement for that broken part. So those are the 5 reasons that manufacturers typically work with Threekit, and we do a lot of business. More than 50% of our business is with large enterprise manufacturers. So those are the 5 reasons, and learn more at threekit.com.